The sky doesn't warn you. One moment it's calm, then the air tightens, the horizon darkens, and something vast begins to move with purpose. For most of human history, storms felt alive. They arrived like judgment. Sailors whispered prayers, farmers read omens in the wind, a sudden shift in pressure, a strange curl of clouds, and destruction followed. No patterns, no mercy, just chaos. But in the 19th century, something changed. Picture a coastal town at dusk. Barometers tremble. Seabirds vanish inland. The air feels heavy, as if the world is holding its breath. Yet this time, a man doesn't run for cover. He writes, he measures, he compares notes from distant ports, ships, and cities. And slowly, an impossible idea forms. The storm is not random. It is moving in a curve. At first, the notion seems absurd. How could something so violent obey rules? But data begins to whisper the same secret again and again. Wind doesn't just blow, it spirals. Pressure doesn't fall evenly, it collapses toward a center. Storms turn, rotate, and travel like enormous wheels grinding across the planet. Then comes the revelation. These tempests, cyclones, are born from imbalance. Warm air rises, cold air rushes in, and Earth's rotation bends the flow into a vast spinning system. What once looked like divine fury is suddenly mechanical, almost elegant. A storm is a machine powered by heat and motion, guided by invisible laws. And once you see the pattern, you can't unsee it. Ships that once sailed blindly now reroute. Warnings are sent ahead of the wind. Maps begin to show curved arrows instead of fearful guesses. The storm still destroys, but it no longer surprises. Humanity has learned to listen to the sky's grammar. Yet the most haunting part isn't the science, it's the scale. These storms aren't small. They stretch hundreds of miles, spinning with the force of continents, following paths shaped by the planet itself. The same rules that guide a falling leaf steer hurricanes across oceans. Order hides inside the roar. And standing beneath darkening clouds, people realize something unsettling and profound. Nature was never chaotic. We simply didn't understand its rhythm. Today, when forecasts trace arcs across glowing screens, they echo those first 19th century insights. The moment we stopped seeing storms as monsters and started seeing them as messages. The wind still howls, the rain still falls. But now we know why. And if understanding the storm changed how we face the sky, imagine what other patterns are waiting to be seen. If this story stirred your curiosity, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what hidden patterns you want to explore next.